In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table using Canva. First things first, let's open your web browser and head over to canva.com. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up, but assuming you do, just go ahead and log in. This brings you to the Canva homepage. Now, to get started with the design process, look for the Create button marked by a plus icon on the left side panel menu. Clicking on this will present you with a variety of design options. What you're going to want to do is select Presentations. It's versatile and works as a great starting point, but you can choose another template if you have specific dimensions in mind. With Presentations selected, you'll be prompted to choose the canvas size. Opt for the standard 16:9 ratio, which is 1920 by 1080 pixels. This size is ideal for clarity and makes your design pop, especially on larger screens. Once your blank canvas is ready, locate the Elements option on the left side menu and give that a click. You're going to utilize Elements to find tables, so in the search bar, type Table. As you hover over the results, make sure to click on See All Tables to look at the full array of table options Canva offers. Now comes the fun part, choosing your table. Pick the one that suits your needs best and drag it onto your canvas. You can adjust its size by clicking on it and pulling the corners, making it larger or smaller according to your requirements. With your table set, you'll notice a floating menu appear. Clicking on the Borders option here allows you to customize the table's border by changing its type, color, and style. This is a great way to match your table to the rest of your design and ensure everything feels cohesive. On this floating menu, there are options to change up the table spacing and cell spacing. Adjust these to give your table a cleaner, more refined look. Should you want to customize the hue, click on the Color button located in the floating tools to modify the color of individual cells or the entire table. If you need more rows or columns, or want to delete some, just click the three dots found on the left side of a row or column. This will allow you to add or remove items and customize them even further. By right-clicking on either individual cells or selected groups, you gain access to additional settings such as merging cells. This is useful for creating headers or grouping information cohesively. Don't hesitate to explore these settings to better understand how they can enhance your creative process. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating and customizing tables in Canva to suit any of your design needs.